Hey guys, are you ready to take your content to the professional level? Today we have compiled a massive collection of 15 insane YouTuber gadgets from all over the web that every creator needs to dominate their niche. Whether you're a streamer, a vlogger, or just starting out, we've got the gear to make your studio look like $1 million. Make sure to watch this video until the very end, because our number one pick will absolutely blow your head. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button to help our channel grow so we can keep finding these innovations for you. Let's go. Number 15. Custom Macro Pad. We start with a tool that will completely speed up your workflow. This custom macro pad features 15 LCD keys that you can program with any shortcut. Whether you're switching scenes in OBS or color grading in Premiere, it takes just one tap. It features a premium build with an aluminum dial for precise adjustments. Number 14. Mechanical broadcast arm. Tired of messy wires and bulky mic stands? This is the secret gear used by the world's biggest creators. This heavy-duty mechanical arm features internal springs and integrated cable management to keep your desk clean. It's machined from industrial-grade aluminum and holds even the heaviest studio mics with zero sag. Number 13. Pocket-sized wireless mic. Stop using bad audio. This tiny dual-channel transmitter clips right onto your collar and provides crystal-clear sound. It stands out with a 164-foot range and an internal battery that lasts for 7 hours straight. It even has a magnetic mount, so you can hide it under your shirt for a clean look. Number 12. Smart neon on air sign. Give your studio some personality with this interactive decor. This isn't a regular light. It's a sound-activated neon sign that automatically turns red when it detects your recording. It connects via USB-C and adds that professional pro studio vibe to any background. Number 11. Smartphone teleprompter. Forget about memorizing long scripts. This pocket-sized glass reflection box mounts directly to your lens. Just slide your smartphone into the base, and you can read your script while looking directly into the camera. It's made of high-clarity beams, splitter glass, so it won't affect your video quality at all. Number 10. AI auto tracking mount. If you're a solo creator, you need an assistant, and this is it. This motorized mount uses an AI vision sensor to follow you 360 degrees around the room. It doesn't even need an app to work. Just use smart gestures to start or stop the tracking. It's perfect for moving shots or cooking videos. Number 9. Collapsible green screen. Don't have a dedicated studio space? No problem. This pop-up backdrop fits into a flat circular bag just a few inches wide. But once you pull it out, it expands into a 5-foot green screen in seconds. It's made of tear-proof synthetic fabric that won't wrinkle, giving you a perfect chroma key every time. Number 8. Desktop edit controller. Speed is everything in editing. This sleek controller features a metallic scrub dial that lets you fly through your timeline frame by frame. It's fully compatible with all professional software and features 40 customizable buttons. The ergonomic design makes sure your hand won't hurt even after hours of editing. Number 7. Ultra bright pocket LED. This is the ultimate lighting hack. It's the size of a credit card, but packs a massive 10,000 lumen punch. It features an integrated battery that charges via USB-C and offers 3 brightness levels. You can mount it to your camera or stick it to any metal surface thanks to the built-in magnets. Number 6. AI Vision Gimbal. Say goodbye to shaky footage. This 3-axis stabilizer stands out with an integrated AI vision sensor. You can change modes, start face tracking, or snap a photo using simple hand gestures without ever touching your phone. It even supports 2-way charging, so it acts as a power bank for your phone while you shoot. Number 5. Smartphone mini projector. Reviewing your footage on a tiny screen is yuck. Instead, use this soda can-sized projector to throw a 120-inch image onto your wall or ceiling. It features Bluetooth connectivity and a built-in speaker, making it the perfect tool for checking your shots or watching a movie after a long day of filming. Number 4. Magnetic quick release plate. Stop wasting time screwing your camera onto tripods. This heavy-duty magnetic ring lets you snap your camera on and off in just 1 second. It's machined from anodized aluminum and can hold up to 20 pounds safely. It's a literal game changer for creators who switch between handheld and tripod shots. Number 3. 400x Microscopic Lens. If you do product reviews, you need this. This tiny clip-on lens provides a 400x zoom, showing details the human eye can't even see. It's perfect for getting those mesmerizing B-roll shots of circuit boards or fabric textures. It even has its own integrated LED ring light for perfect clarity. Number 2. Silent Record Muzzle. This is one of the most bizarre gadgets we've ever seen. It's a soundproof muzzle mask that connects to your microphone. It allows you to record high-energy voiceovers or stream at 3 a.m. without waking up your neighbors or family. It looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, but the sound isolation is pure genius. Number 1. Ultimate Creator Station. Finally, we have the bad dude of the creator world. This is a complete all-in-one workstation that combines a high-res secondary monitor, a studio-grade audio interface, and a 100W charging hub. It will absolutely blow your head because it turns any basic laptop into a professional 4-screen studio in seconds. It's the ultimate piece of tech for any creator who wants to dominate the platform.